Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download MinIO Client MC for local cloud storage. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To download the MinIO client, also known as MC, begin by opening your web browser. Navigate to the official MinIO website. On the home page, look for the Downloads section. Click on the Downloads link to access the available downloads for MinIO. You will see different options for various platforms. Identify the version of MinIO client compatible with your operating system. If you are using Windows, you will find a direct link for downloading the Windows version. For macOS users, look for the download link specifically labeled for macOS. If you are on a Linux system, locate the appropriate link for the Linux version of the MinIO client. Once you have identified the correct download link, click on it to start the downloading process. The MinIO client file will begin to download to your computer. After the download is complete, navigate to your Downloads folder. Locate the downloaded MinIO client file. For Windows, this file will usually be in .exe format. If you are using macOS, the file will typically be a .tar.gz format. For Linux users, it may also be a compressed file. Next, unzip or extract the downloaded file if necessary. For Windows, simply double-click the .exe file to start the installation. Follow the installation prompts to complete the setup on your system. For macOS or Linux users, open a terminal window. Change your directory to where the .tar.gz file is located using the cd command. Unpack the contents of the file using the appropriate extraction command. For Linux, you can use tarxbzf filename .tar.gz. After extraction, you will see the MC binary file. To make it globally accessible, you may want to move it to a directory included in your path. You can do this by using the mv command for Linux and macOS. For Windows, ensure that the installation path is added to your system's environment variables. Once you have successfully installed the MinIO client, verify the installation by opening a terminal or command prompt. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.